Hello friends, is your car struggling with cold starts, running rough, or showing a check engine light? If you've scanned your vehicle and found P0415, don't ignore it. This code is related to the secondary air injection or SAI system, specifically switching valve B. If left unchecked, it can lead to reduced performance, higher emissions, and potential engine issues. In this video, I'll explain what P0415 means, its symptoms, exact sensor locations, and how to fix it. Let's get started. The P0415 error code stands for Secondary Air Injection System Switching Valve B Circuit Malfunction. The SAI system helps reduce emissions by injecting fresh air into the exhaust during cold starts. This helps burn excess fuel and lower pollution levels. The switching valve B controls the flow of fresh air to a specific exhaust bank. If the ECU detects a problem in its electrical circuit, it triggers P0415. Common symptoms of P0415 include check engine light, CL, on, rough idle, especially during cold starts, loss of power or sluggish acceleration, unusual clicking or buzzing noise from the air injection system, and failed emissions test. If you are experiencing these issues, let's locate the key components of the SAI system. The SAI system consists of multiple components and their locations vary by vehicle model. Here's where to find them. Secondary air pump, typically located near the front bumper or inside the engine bay, close to the radiator. Air injection switching valve B, found between the secondary air pump and the exhaust manifold, on the opposite exhaust bank of valve A. SAI pressure sensor, usually mounted near the intake manifold or along the air injection hose. And finally, the SAI relay and fuse located in the engine bay fuse box. Tip: the exact location varies by vehicle. Refer to your service manual for precise details. Faulty switching valve B. The valve may be stuck or damaged, preventing proper operation. Wiring issues or loose connections. Corroded, damaged, or disconnected wiring can cause circuit malfunctions. Blown fuse or faulty relay. A damaged fuse or relay can disable the switching valve. Defective SAI pressure sensor. A malfunctioning sensor can cause the ECU to misread the system's operation. Secondary air pump failure. If the pump isn't providing airflow, the switching valve won't function properly. Step 1. Scan your vehicle with an OBD-II scanner to confirm the P0415 code and check for related codes. Step 2. Locate switching valve B and inspect it for damage or blockages. Step 3. Check the wiring and connectors leading to the valve for corrosion or breaks. Repair or replace if needed. Step 4. Test the SAI pressure sensor with a multimeter and replace it if faulty. Step 5. Inspect the SAI relay and fuse in the engine bay. Replace them if necessary. Step 6. Clear the error code using an OBD-II scanner and test drive the vehicle. The P0415 error code can lead to poor engine performance, rough idling, and increased emissions if not addressed. If your car has this issue, check the switching valve, inspect the wiring, and test the fuse and relay to restore proper function. For more car troubleshooting guides, check out these videos next. P0118, Engine Coolant Temperature Sensor Circuit High Input, and P0119, Engine Coolant Temperature Sensor Circuit Intermittent. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips.